Introducing Paaṭha AI, the future of education. It's an AI-powered flat designed to make learning smarter and more personalized. A smart study partner that helps you to understand the concepts better. Our AI starts by asking you questions customized to your level. You respond naturally, in your own words, then get instant, detailed feedback. So you know what you got right and where you need to improve. You can even keep chatting with the AI to explore concepts further. Once you are done, view your performance summary to see your strengths and weak points. Identify the exact topics you need to work on. Then, jump into targeted videos and interactive tools designed to help you improve faster and smarter. Let AI guide your journey with insights that matter. Start learning limitlessly today at Paaṭha AI. Welcome to this guide on how to use Paaṭha AI. To begin with, visit the website Paaṭha AI. If you are a new user, you can log in directly from the home page by clicking on the desired course. Log in using your email ID and password. If you are a new user, you can sign up by clicking on the register button and following some steps. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a reset option available. Use your credentials or Google to sign in. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the home page. Here, everything is laid out clearly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for first-time users. From the home page, you can select your learning track. Let us select one of the tracks here, Class VIII. There are math and science subjects. Contents are organized into chapters and also the progress is shown. You can test your understanding by answering the questions in desired chapter. There are different types of questions available, including multiple choice true or false, and even descriptive answers. The platform provides instant feedback, showing your score and offering explanations for each answer, so you learn from every attempt. Also, there are follow-up questions and explanations for reference. You can observe your time taken for solving a question each time. Difficulty and type of question are also visible. For descriptive responses, you can upload images of your notes directly from your device. The image gets converted to text by taking both text and virtual elements. Then it is evaluated and feedback is given. You can also track your progress as you go. There's a performance dashboard where you can see your attempts, scores, improvement trends, and topic-wise strengths and weaknesses. There is also Bloom's taxonomy visualization for the student to understand where he needs to improve. There is a quick analysis of your average time and learning trend. One can also see his previous attempts. You can see the type of question, difficulty, source, and attempts. Also, you can review the answers. There are daily challenges to keep your learning consistent and engaging. These challenges are fun and designed to push you just a bit more each day. Insights are given as where to improve and where you are strong. Click on your profile icon to access options like settings, premium upgrade, terms, conditions, and more. To sign out, click the Sign Out button in the profile. That's the quick guide of using the platform.